No man chef, and you cook this. This tastes good.
Believe you say I make cooking.
Are you cook this, chef?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, man, the nigga put in the work, and when he did just start up, everybody I look down on him like, say, him then I go make it. You see me? Real youth. You know what you want. Remember when he just start out, everybody a laugh of time. Everybody in the kitchen a laugh of time.
This morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, it's by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you." Singing, "Don't worry about a thing."
What are you doing down here?
Dad?
Oh, hi, Vanessa.
Dad, what are you doing?
Well, I'll be honest, I don't really understand, but I fell down this hill. Now I got glue on my hands and I got records on my fingers. Records on my fingers, I got records on my fingers and I just can't stop.
Don't stop.
I can't stop, I got a platypus controlling me.
What?
I got a platypus controlling me. Now let me sum it up. It was a strange set of circumstances.
Strange set of circumstances.